Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the garden hose splitter. Let's see if I can get you a view of the packaging. Homitt looks to be the brand. The seller is Hot Loft Direct. And it's with all my purchases. I bought this with my own money. I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody out there on Amazon thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So it's nickel-plated brass. It is solid metal. Every piece of it is metal. 2 shut-off valves here. It's for a standard 3/4 inch hose. It's got a plastic washer already on the inside, and then they give you 4 plastic washers as well. As with the standard splitter, it's got individual shut-off valves. They're nice and tight, and they are brass as well. Anyway, not much to show you, but that's the unboxing video. I hope it helps.